So guys, this is a part 2. We need to wait this. I need to wait this Minecraft for part 2. So be ready to your form and to be ready. I need to find the desert. I remember it. So guys, please like button, subscribe to my channel, and we need to earn it. I need to find a desert to get some diamonds or other secrets to find it. So ready. So we need to find some resource. So I need to get some resource for for food or whatever that I need. So be ready to the Minecraft place. Oh, I'm here. Oh, my doggy. Where's my doggy? Oh, my dog is so very cute. Let's go, bro. We need to find a desert. It's very hard. We are in Taiga biome. Oh, don't fool, bro. You can survive. But you want, I need to alive you. I have an enchanted, but I don't know how I can go to the nether. No, I have lack of obsidian and I don't have diamond pickaxe. So, I'm not have chance. So we need to get some, we need to create a boat to go in the another island. Oh, I forgot the bed, but it's okay. I can create a bed. And then let's create a boat for going the desert. So let's go. Oh, I need to sleep first. Hello, bro. Don't bark again. I will bark your face. Joke, bro. I need to sleep. I can still wait this sun before it's night. So what is that? Oh, there are lava are falling from the mountain. Let's sleep. It's so very long to sleep. Bro, faster. I need to get down. I need to sleep. Yeah. Thanks. I'm sleep. So we need to find another islands. Bro, we need to find another. For this time, we need to find. Please show yourself. Desert. Oh, my doggy. Bro, go here. I need to sit. Now, bro. I'll go in here. Oh, bro, you need to ride, please. You're not riding. Ride it, bro, master. Hey, bro, go in here. Bro, master. You gotta go here. I gotta kill you. Bro, go in here. I will unleash you. Unleash. Yes, it cool. I have to get my leash, but it's sunk down in the water. Oh, I get it. Thanks. So we need to go on the desert. This biome is taiga, but then we need to find a desert. It's hard to find a desert. We need to find savanna or desert. That savanna, he will attract the desert to find it. It's not taking too long to this. Ready. So guys, again, I need to find that. It's very hard to find the desert. Show yourself, bro. I think you are here in, but it's a lot of taiga biome here. I don't want this. It's make me rage here. We need to find a desert. It's very hard. This taiga biome is blocking the way of the sea. We need to find this. It's so very hard. I have on the island. It's a lot of taiga biome. I don't want this. I'm gonna cross to the river to find a desert. Let's to wait this. It's taking a lot of. Oh, this serious. This is a desert. Oh no, this is a sand. That erosion on water. His eroded water and become sand, but still no desert found here, and we need some pyramid to found the desert. Oh man, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is a desert. Oh, let's find the desert, but it's block. They're blocking my way to find the desert. But some need a lot of islands here, but I can't go down. So let's go to the river. Let's cross out to the river. There's a lot of taiga biome or savanna biome. Oh man, yeah, I'm gonna freak this. It's it's a lot of time to go in the desert. I am the always on boat. I'm sorry if I always on boat. But we need to find the desert. It's very hard. Or jungle. Jungle has secret, but there are traps. But we need to go down, please. But no, what if? Oh no, man. I can go to the desert, but it's not safe. So I have choice. So I wanna go here. I drop my dog. Hello dog. Hello doggy. Oh, this is your. I'm gonna leash you. I sorry, bro. I forget that. I'm gonna get this boat. Yes, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Wait to find a desert. It's very. Wait to find a desert. It's so very hardest to find. Desert is the hardest to find, and the hardest to find and very hard is mushroom fields. It's so very hard, but I want to see to get some mushroom cow to infinite food sources, but there are something. Let's go. If they are desert, please desert, but there are sugarcane. When I need some diamonds to mine the obsidian that I don't want to die in the Minecraft. I don't have bed. I'm gonna die and my dog will die. Ouch! There are something killing me in water. There's sea zombie. Let's go down. Oh man, please. It's not desert. Nah. I need to find this. I don't have I know with this. I can find desert. Okay, I'm gonna serious this. This is a serious sea. So let's go. I'm gonna unleash you to get to the boat. Unleash. So wire this. So let's go, bro. Go on the boat. You need to ride. Yeah, let's go. It's taking too long the time. I can find a desert, but is this not a desert? Oh man, I can't find it, bro. Show yourself in this world. It's taking too time to decide. Oh, hmm. If they are monument, then we need to go down. But I don't have doors to break on door. Let's test. It's a lot of kelp are in the sea, but they don't need. There are food on islands, but I need to go on desert. It's very hard. Oh man, I'm gotta freak this to this game. I need to find some desert. It's very hard. Please, desert biome, show yourselves. Sub like button or comment on my channel to find the desert. It's a very hard. And subscribe to my channel to get down and found some desert. But I can still find desert. Oh, that. Oh, yo. Oh, I think it's not desert, bruh. I need to find it. It's so very hard. Oh man, this is again. It's no desert. Show yourself. There are sugar cane, but I don't need it. A lot of sugar cane. But that desert. Desert is my favorite biome. When you show yourself, there are not desert. Let's find steel. Let's look to the sun. If they died, oh, it's a lot of time to go in desert. But I can still find. I don't have maps to find that desert. Oh, there are islands, but I not and I know. And I have 5 emeralds. I can't read the pages. I need to get some enchanted book. What is this? I found something on deep. It's gold. Oh, the omen. Let's go down. He gonna kill us. That's not desert. It's taking a long time for this. I need to find some desert. I need to find it. I still have desert. So first, I'm now thinking to get some desert or sand. So be ready. Oh, oh, bruh, that's sugar cane. I need to find some desert. It's a lot of. So I need to find it. Oh, there are cherry biome. Let's go down. If they are it, this is a cherry biome. Let's go. Faster before it's night. Oh, the sun is go down. We need to fast. Let's go. Let's land here. I will get my dog. Where's my boat? Oh, where I get it? Forget. But let's go fast before night. After night, we got with the house or not or something else. What should I do? And subscribe like button before I leave in this game. I need to find some desert island here, but my dog is the ability to teleport. But we need to find some needs, but we can still find. But we need to click first. But let's you. Oh, I go here, bruh. I go here again now. So what should I do here in this? I I I capture this song when to get sleep. So get the night. It's a very dangerous on night. So we get to sleep. I don't need some bones to with my dog. So let's go. I need some food or something else that I need. So I need to find some desert. It's very hard. Oh, there are sheep. I need some food. Please give me food or wool. What should I need? I can still find desert. So I will create a part 3 again. So next time I can create a part 3 if I can still find desert. Where's my dog? Oh, you're in. Oh, there are mountains. So very tall, but it's not Everest. I think there are no desert here, but let's still find it. So go there, find the pyramid, but I can still find the desert. I could go I could go to find a pyramid and go and get the secret diamond. That's so very expensive. Diamond it's very expensive to find on caves and deserts and other secrets. It's so very expensive. So we need to get it. Oh, they are cave. Let's go. Oh, he's teleport. I need to protect my dog. He is good for me to protect me. But he is protect me. Oh, what is this? What this? I go here. But I don't want. I need to find some desert. I'm so very it. So I know how. I'm not have choice to go in desert. What should I do to find it? So I'm very hungry. Let's get some food. Raw mutton. It's a very yummy. Oh man, but it's raw. It's not yummy. I I I'm, I'm not cannibalism, guys. This is a my go, not red diet. Let's go. Find some food. Give me food, bro. I'm gata lagging. Stop lagging, please. I need to eat. I'm lagging. Let's eat things. I'm not hungry. Need to find desert. It's very hard. I could still find it and find a pyramid or village. Oh, man. It's just so very deep. But I don't want to go here or down. So guys, subscribe button again. I need some find it. I need to eat again. I'm hungry. My wife. Oh, I am also waiting for this. Oh, it's a lot of time. It's waiting for too long. So guys, we now one choices again. I need to. Oh, what is this? I need to find some desert. It's a very hard. But 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 please comment to find a desert and wait. Oh, let's go now. I'm waiting to just. I need to find some desert. So let's go here. Where is my doggy? Is safe. Okay, your doggy. Let's fed her. Yes, he's fed. Okay, your hearts. Oh, he's not hurt. Desert, show yourself in on my heart. I need some desert. I need some pyramid, but I need to ready my food to go in desert. There's no animals to find food. There are only dead bush, cactus, and other species. Oh, there are pig. What I don't need. There are pig. Need to find it. So guys, subscribe, like button to my channel before the part 3 is gonna build for me. Depends for me what days that I can create part 3. So we need to get start this and bye bye guys. Subscribe, like button, comment for my own channel. And 3, 2, 1.